Hello friends, welcome to Basic Maths. Today our topic is function or mapping. So let us see the definition of a function. So here a and b are two non-empty sets and f is a function which is connected to the set a and b. So the definition of function is known as every element of a can be associated or connected with unique element of b. Okay, then f is called function or mapping. So symbolically it can be written as f mapped with a to b, f mapped with a to b, and f subset are equal to a by b, a by b. So here function, here a is a set of elements a b c, and f is a function which is connected to a and b sets, and b is the set elements x y z. So the function definition is every element of a must be connected to unique element of b. So here a is connected to y, and b connected to x, and c connected to z. So this is known as function. Next one is one-to-one mapping, and this is also called as injective. So the definition of one-to-one mapping is if the different elements in a, there is different images in b. Different elements in a, there is different elements in b, is known as one-to-one mapping. So here a and b are two non-empty sets, and in this number of elements of a is equal to number of elements of b. So that is equal to f of a equal to f of b. So this can be written as one-to-one mapping. Number of elements of a, that is n of a, is equal to number of elements of b, and also so that is f of a equal to f of b, and this is also a equal to b. Suppose if a not equal to b, then f of a is also not equal to f of b. So this is one-to-one function. So let us see the, and the condition of one-to-one is if number of a less than or equal to number of b. One-to-one condition, number of a less than or equal to number of b, and also definition is different elements in a, there is a different images in b. So let us see the mapping. So this is a and this is b, and connecting the function f. So here a b. So a b are elements in a, and there exist different images in b. So that is image of a is f of a, and image of b is f of b. So both are connected to each other. So this is known as one-to-one function. Next one is on-to mapping or surjective. So let f from a to b a mapping if the range equal to codomain, that is f of b a equal to b, f of a equal to b. Then the definition of on-to mapping is there is at least one element of b, it has a pre-image of a, pre-image of a, and in this onto mapping number of elements of a is greater than or equal to number of elements of b. So symbolically here a is a mapping a to b, so that is x y are elements of a, and so pre-image of b, that is f of y x. So here y is connected to f of y. So this is known as onto mapping. So next one is into mapping. So let f from a to b a mapping, there is at least one element in b, there is no pre-image in a, then we say that f is into mapping. So there is no pre-image in a, then we say that that is into mapping. So next one is one-to-one correspondence or bijective. So if f is a mapping from a to b, if f satisfies one-to-one and on-to functions, then F is called one-to-one correspondence. So if F satisfies both the functions one-to-one and onto mappings, then F is said to be one-to-one correspondence. That is number of A equal to number of B. Number of A equal to number of B. So this can be written as A equivalent to B. A equivalent to B. So this is known as equivalent relation. This is known as equivalent relation. So a mapping which is satisfies one to one and on to correspondence, then that mapping is known as equivalent mapping, and this can be written as symbolically A equivalent to B. So hope you are all understood this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.